This is the elevator at the DoubleTree by Hilton in Gainesville, Florida. Let's go to 3. Got, not sure what brand this is, but it's got Innovation Universal fixtures. This one's a little low on oil. We're gonna go down the 1. Here's your inspection certificate. 2,500 pound capacity. Someone did call it going back up, I think. Or not. We're gonna go up to 3. So there are actually 2 elevators here, and the other one's on the opposite side of the building. So we're gonna look at the hallway. The room numbers go all the way up to 91, and there's a 300, as you can see by this right here. Although it does say up to 322 was on one side and starting at 364 was on the other. So that's likely because the other elevator are closer, the room's in the middle. Here's the room number sign on the other side. This is a little confusing because 349 to 300, 346 to 301. There's an overlap. But anyway, here's the elevator. It's got the same fixtures, blue Innovation Universal. You can hear the motor. We're gonna go down the 1. There's a little red light on the 3 button. It's got a GAL airlock right up there. And here's another look at your buttons. Kind of looks like the indicator says 63. 62, but just 1. It's the reflection caused by the up arrow. Here's your certificate. Yeah, again, not sure what brand these were originally, but they've got nice motors. So, there it goes. And that'll be it.